Assalamualaikum class, myself Saida Nimsha, and I hope you all will be fine and in good shapes. Nature. In all the things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. Nature always wears the color of spirit. The earth has music for those who listen. Animals are born who they are, accepted, and that is that they live with greater peace than people do. There are many great voices, but not all are humans. If we kill off the wild, then we are killing a part of our souls. Let the beauty of nature remind you of the goodness of God. What a glorious greeting the sun gives the mountains. The beauty of nature is best known in waves of silence and stillness. Just feel all the beauty and nature. Sometimes it's worth walking up early. Green is the prime color of the world. Let's just say meet the blue sea, and all is blue for a time. Stop every now and then. Stop and just enjoy. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. You only need to stand near the ocean to feel the power of the universe. Green is the prime color of light. The beauty of forest traversing unknown paths. A walk through the nature is ultimate bliss. No matter how long the winter, spring is sure to follow. Go outside and get some sunshine. She smelled of sun and daisies with the hint of river water. Let's take our hearts for a walk in the woods and listen to the magic whispers. Just feel the beauty of nature. It is beautiful and peaceful. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Let's keep the earth clean and green and sober from pollution and all kind of